want to show you today a Datona workbench. As we are building a lot of maker spaces at the Smart Lab Architects, this is a good example of a affordable, beautiful workbench, but it also comes with a few flaws. So I want to show it all to you. Let's start at the top. The whole thing here is one construction. It's pretty solid. It could be a bit more solid. You can fix it to the wall and then nothing moves anymore, but you want to have a solid base. Here you have a nice opening up things. You can store a lot of things. It's okay done. It's a bit shaky, especially if you're sawing here. These things start to move, but I mean, it's a decent thing. This is self-made. If you drill a hole, you fix it up, and you can attach different things. The light is quite nice. You have these pack boards where you can attach all sorts of things. I really like this because you've got like this paper. It also works quite fine. You push it up, you put it in, and then you can change it. Nice boxes. These work really fine. So you can put, like, you can get these inserts, and you can put all of your equipment in here. And the only thing is, these boxes here, they don't really fit perfectly neat. The inlays. The inlays don't fit the boxes or the cupboards. Which is, I mean, if you come closer here, you see it directly. There's like 5 centimeters of lost space. And it's like, come on, it's perfect. It's so close to perfect. And here you often waste just a bit of place here, or also here. There's always a bit of space left, which is a pity. It's really neatly done. And another downside that I personally find really frustrating. This is a beautiful rubbish bin. A tiny bit of better quality, and then why is there not a fitting waste bin in here? I mean, if you don't take care of this, you'll always throw rubbish next to it. But besides, what's also pretty cool is if you don't have these anti-fatigue mats, that helps you kind of work here for a long time, you can pull this out here, so you have a mobile workbench as well. Only downside with this mobile unit here is you can actually pull out all of them, and then it starts to trip over. So professional and high quality tool racks actually have a stopper, so you can always pull out 1 or maximum 2 of these, and otherwise it will fall over. Yeah, that's the Datona workbench. You just plug it into one power plug. You've got a bit of power supplies here also. You can get the module for it, and then it's quite a decent thing. Affordable, 5,000 euros, something around it, the whole unit. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.